Hi everyone, this is Devansha and I have Ruchit Patel here on the call with me to show our Lab 2 for Comp303 Java EE.
Hello
Um,
everyone.
and this is the web application that we built using Spring Boot and MySQL. Okay, so Ruchit, if you can go ahead and show them the
Sure.
pages.
Okay. So I'll start from registration page. So let me register myself. Ruchit Patel 148 to Trail Scarborough Y3. Okay. Uh, this is just a random number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. And enter my password and then submit. And so my registration is successfully done. Let me log in myself. Yep, here it is. Yeah. So here is our home page. We have a navigation bar from where I can go to home page, then profile page. I have a label name which is saying that welcome Ruchit Patel. And in the home page we have all the laptops displayed with their name, size, and also price. So let me just show profile page first. Here is my profile page, my first name, last name, email, phone number, address, city, and postal code. Let me change something from edit profile M1B1Y3 to M1B1Y2, and then let me also change my phone number. Submit. Yeah, so M1B1Y3 to M1B1Y2, and I've also changed my phone number. So that was all about profile and edit profile. Let's go to homepage. And if I want to buy a gaming laptop which is 15-inch and $1,500, let me buy this model. And it says it redirects to the checkout page. So it says confirm order confirmation, and the status is pending. Let me go back, and let me also explain our SQL. So in this we have a user table. So we have a third user which is Ruchit and its ID is 3. And let's go to order. So the last order is this order number 12 and user ID is 3. So which I just checked it out. So yeah, that's all about just visualization, and Devansh will explain the code.
There is also a admin page from where we can see all the orders. So if we go to slash admin, all the orders are listed here, and as you can see, this is the last order that Ruchit ordered right now. As you can see, the user ID is set to 3, which is of course for Ruchit. If you can see in the users ID is 3 for Ruchit, and the before orders are all mine with the laptop ID and user ID. Um, okay, so if we see in the code here, um, we have we have several packages, each for different purposes. We have one for models, controllers. This is of course the default package that Spring creates for us, which contains the application context. We also have a repository from which we are using for which we are using um, the interface and extending JPA repository. We also have several services and their implementation. So this is the laptop service interface, and we are implementing both of these methods in laptop service implementation. As you can see with this, it has also auto-wired laptop repository, which it's using to connect to MySQL. And finally, we have one controller, which is used for everything actually. Um, and it has several methods as well as all the services auto-wired to it. So we can use it to send data through the repository layer. We are also we also like implementing a global user, so we can use it on all pages. As you can see, there is a nav bar here which uses the name, so that's coming from this user, and all these others are either request mapping or get mapping um, to display the page or get the information. Another noticeable implementation is the laptop checkout. So once you click on a buy a laptop, it's gonna go to this checkout slash laptop ID. This laptop ID we get from the home page, and this is used as a path variable, which is then again tied to item ID parameter of this method. We can get the laptop information from there. We are also using get laptop by ID, get one laptop by ID to get that specific laptop to buy it. And then we are just saving that laptop globally as well and redirecting them to a page user checkout, which will display the checkout page then. We are all using standard MVC, Spring MVC, um, standard Spring MVC syntaxes for everything. That's it. And me and Ruchit collaborated on GitHub, and this is the repository for that. We each have branches for ourselves, and the master branch that has all the codes combined. And we'll be providing this link in the submission folder as well. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.